Dear respected nation of Kazakhstan, your comments on one of my recent videos has helped me to understand how rich of a culture Kazakhstan has, especially their language. You have inspired me to decide to learn Kazakh. I understand this has been a difficult time for many countries of the former Soviet Union, especially Ukraine. And I have heard your concerns. I hope that with your help on my language journey, I can successfully learn Kazakh and return to Kazakhstan and speak Kazakh with the Kazakhstani people. This will not be an easy task. Many apps and websites don't offer support to learn Kazakh. That's why I need your help. Please recommend and suggest different YouTube and Instagram pages to follow to help me progress on my language adventure. And one day, maybe I can meet with some of you on my adventure when I return to Kazakhstan. Please continue to encourage me and help me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Rahmet. Men seni жақсы көрем.